3, 2, 1, go! I've always felt like something is missing in my creative world, and that piece is why I'll be traveling to Ile Ife, which is said to be the birthplace of the Yoruba ethnic group. If you have been watching my channel for a while now, I'm sure you should have noticed that I'm a Yoruba man with sense of belongings. But wait, what sense of belongings am I even talking about when I've not really put my authentic self to work? And that is one thing I can assure you I will do in this video. So let me welcome you to Ile Ife. I know the nation is not safe now, but going to Ile Ife this year is just something I need to do. My first stop is the National Museum in Ile Ife. The National Museum has 6 sections: agricultural section, the traditional section, the religious, and part of the museum has sculptures dated back to the 13th century, which some of the objects are made of terracottas or bronze. This museum is dedicated to exhibiting objects from ancient Ife. Inside the museum, I saw the original staff of Osogbo. I saw so many real stuffs in their original shape, and some of the things I saw was Sogidi. I mean, it really caught my attention. The tour guide explained to me how Sogidi was invented to settle disputes among the Yorubas, the early Ife people. I think the National Museum in Ife is probably one of the most underrated museums in Nigeria because it has antiques that takes you back hundreds, if not thousands of years. The museum opens from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and gate fee is 500 naira. My second stop is Moremi Ajanshuru's Statue of Liberty. First of all, this statue is about 42 feet tall, and is said to be the tallest statue in Nigeria, the 4th in Africa. Come here. Where are you going? Come. Oh. Davina, say hello. Say hello. Let me tell you that Queen Moremi Statue of Liberty in Ile Ife is the tallest statue in Nigeria and the 4th tallest in Africa. The history of Moremi is one of the most important in the history of the Yoruba people. This statue of Liberty was built in honor of Queen Moremi Ajanshuru, the wife of Oromio, and also served as a remembrance for her bravery in delivering Ife people from the Igbos, which means forest people. Finally, my next stop is the Palace of Ooni of Ife. Visiting the Palace of Ooni of Ife is an amazing experience. Not only is it an opportunity to explore a piece of history and culture, but it is also a chance to learn about the traditions of the Yoruba people. The palace is full of beautiful art, sculptures and architecture that you won't find anywhere else. So if you are looking for a unique educational experience, make sure you take your time to visit the Palace of Ooni of Ife. No video, no tour book can explain the place. You just have to experience it yourself. The Ooni of Ife's Palace is a beautiful and historical landmark that is located in the city of Ile Ife, Osun State, Nigeria. The palace is a significant part of the Ife Kingdom and is a popular tourist spot. This palace is dated back to the 8th century and has been the home of Onis ever since then. The palace is a symbol of the Ife Kingdom's culture, history, and heritage. So visitors can explore the palace collections of artifacts and artwork, which includes traditional weapons, jewelries, sculptures, paints, and many more. But the place is locked as at the time of recording. The first thing you see when you enter the Palace of Ooni of Ife is the statue of Oba Rufo painted in gold color. But who is Oba Rufo? Oba Rufo of Ife is a title given to the leader of the ancient city of Ile Ife, known as the cradle of the Yoruba culture in West Africa. So my next stop is Oduduwa statue in Afenworo Park. Oduduwa statue is an incredible piece of art that has been standing in the park since the 17th century. It is a beautiful representation of the Yoruba culture and history of the area. And its placement at the center of the park makes it a cool spot for both locals and the visitor. Like, I really enjoy myself here. According to Yoruba mythology, Oduduwa was holding a staff, a coral bead, and a 5-toed hen when he was sent down to earth during the creation of the world. The staff is said to represent his authority and power. The coral bead represents his wealth and prosperity, and the 5-toed hen symbolizes his ability to bring forth life. So, if you are planning to visit the statue, please remember to respect the statue and the area as a whole. It was an amazing experience visiting Ile Ife. I was able to explore the fascinating culture and history of the city and see the beautiful sights. The people were friendly and welcoming. I took some great pictures of the city and its local attractions. I'm so glad I got to experience this unique place. I would definitely recommend a trip to Ife for anyone looking for a unique and memorable vacation. And if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, like, and share with family and friends. Until next time, I remain Joe Adetono, and this video here is a video I want you to watch. It's about the Oyo people. How powerful are they? And I'm sure you won't regret watching. Until next time, stay blessed. Ire Ntinyo. Odabo.